Hey there, science fans! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we delve into the wonders of modern technology. Today, we're diving into the world of Bluetooth, a technology that has revolutionized how our devices talk to each other. From smartphones to smartwatches and even smart home devices, Bluetooth is everywhere. Remember the days of tangled cords and wires, those frustrating moments when you had to untangle a mess just to listen to your favorite song or transfer a file? Bluetooth has set us free. No more knots, no more hassle. Just seamless wireless connectivity that makes our lives so much easier and more enjoyable. Bluetooth allows our smartphones, headphones, speakers, and countless other devices to connect and share information without any physical tethers. You can walk around your house while listening to music, or having your phone automatically connect to your car's audio system. It's the invisible force behind wireless headphones, hands-free calling, and even wireless keyboards and mice. This technology has truly transformed the way we interact with our gadgets. But how does this magic actually work? What makes Bluetooth so special and reliable? Get ready to explore the fascinating world of radio waves, frequency hopping, and data packets. Bluetooth operates in the 2.4 GHz ISM band, using short-wavelength UHF radio waves to communicate between devices. It's going to be a wild ride. We'll uncover how Bluetooth devices pair with each other, the security measures in place to protect your data, and the evolution of Bluetooth technology over the years. Fasten your seatbelts, because we're about to unravel the mysteries of Bluetooth. From its humble beginnings to its current status as a ubiquitous technology, there's so much to learn and appreciate about this wireless wonder. Bluetooth is all about wireless communication, and the key to this is radio waves. Just like the radio waves that bring music to your car radio, Bluetooth uses these invisible waves to send data through the air. Imagine tossing a pebble into a pond. The ripples that spread out are like radio waves carrying information. Bluetooth devices create these ripples, sending tiny bursts of energy to each other. These waves are invisible to our eyes, but Bluetooth devices have special antennas that can detect and understand them. It's like having tiny ears that can hear these silent messages. Now you might be thinking, radio waves, aren't those slow? Not Bluetooth. It uses something called high data rate to send information quickly. Think of a highway with multiple lanes. More lanes mean more cars can travel at the same time. Bluetooth's high data rate is like adding more lanes to the information highway, allowing it to send more data at once. This speed is what allows us to stream music wirelessly without any lag or interruptions. It's also why we can transfer files between devices in a snap. One of Bluetooth's coolest tricks is frequency hopping. Imagine a game of musical chairs with radio waves. Bluetooth devices constantly switch between different frequencies, making sure their signal doesn't get blocked. Think of a crowded room full of people all trying to talk at once. It's hard to hear anything, but if everyone takes turns speaking, the conversation becomes much clearer. That's what frequency hopping does. It helps Bluetooth avoid interference from other devices like Wi-Fi routers or microwaves, ensuring a clear and reliable connection. Channels, keeping things organized. To keep all these hopping frequencies in order, Bluetooth divides its frequency range into smaller chunks called channels. Think of these channels like separate rooms in a large house. Each channel is like a dedicated space for Bluetooth devices to communicate without interfering with others. This helps to prevent traffic jams and ensures that data gets to its destination quickly and efficiently. It's like having separate lanes on a highway for different types of vehicles. Everything runs smoothly and efficiently. Packets, the envelopes of data. Now, how does Bluetooth actually send information? It breaks down data into small packages called packets, kind of like putting letters into envelopes. Each packet contains a small chunk of information, along with the address of the sending and receiving devices. This ensures that the data gets delivered to the right place. Just like the Postal Service uses addresses to deliver mail, Bluetooth uses these packets to send data wirelessly. It's a well-organized system that ensures reliable and secure communication. Two-way street, bidirectional communication. Bluetooth isn't just about sending information one way, it's a two-way street. This bidirectional communication is what allows us to have interactive experiences with our devices. Think of a phone call. You can speak and hear the other person at the same time because the communication goes both ways. Bluetooth works the same way. This is how we can use Bluetooth headsets for hands-free calling. control music playback on wireless speakers, and even play games with wireless controllers. It's all about that two-way communication. Catching errors on the fly. Even with all these clever tricks, sometimes errors can happen during transmission. Bluetooth technology, despite its sophistication, isn't immune to the occasional hiccup. These errors can be caused by various factors such as interference from other devices, physical obstructions, or even software glitches. That's where Bluetooth's error detection protocols come in. These protocols are designed to identify and correct errors in real time, ensuring that the data being transmitted remains intact and accurate. They act like detectives, constantly checking for any mistakes in the data. Just like a detective scrutinizes every clue to solve a mystery, these protocols meticulously examine each data packet for inconsistencies. Imagine a game of telephone. In this game, a message is whispered from one person to the next, and by the time it reaches the last person, it often sounds completely different from the original. As the message gets passed along, it can get distorted. This distortion is similar to what can happen during Bluetooth data transmission if errors aren't detected and corrected. Bluetooth's error detection is like having someone at the end of the line who can spot any mistakes and ask for the message to be repeated. This ensures that any errors are caught and corrected before the data reaches its final destination. This ensures that the data received is accurate and complete, making for a more reliable and enjoyable user experience. Whether you're streaming music, transferring files, or using a wireless keyboard, Bluetooth's error detection protocols work tirelessly in the background to maintain the integrity of your data. So next time you use a Bluetooth device, remember the invisible detectives working behind the scenes to keep your connection smooth and error-free. Sharing is caring, the spectrum. Bluetooth operates in a specific frequency range called the 2.4 GHz ISM band. This band is like a public park that's open to everyone, including other wireless technologies like Wi-Fi and microwaves. To avoid stepping on each other's toes, Bluetooth uses special techniques to share the spectrum fairly. It's like having designated areas in the park for different activities. This ensures that Bluetooth can coexist peacefully with other wireless technologies, preventing interference and ensuring a smooth and reliable connection. Bluetooth, connecting our world. Bluetooth has become an indispensable part of our daily lives, connecting our devices and enabling seamless communication. From wireless headphones to smart home devices, Bluetooth is everywhere. It has revolutionized how we listen to music, make phone calls, and interact with our gadgets. And as technology continues to evolve, Bluetooth is sure to play an even bigger role in our connected world. So the next time you connect your Bluetooth headphones or use a wireless mouse, take a moment to appreciate the magic of this incredible technology. Conclusion: the future is wireless. As we stand on the brink of a new era, it's clear that the future is wireless. The advancements in Bluetooth technology are not just incremental, they are revolutionary, transforming the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Bluetooth has come a long way since its inception, and its future is brighter than ever. From its humble beginnings as a simple wireless communication protocol, Bluetooth has evolved into a robust and versatile technology that powers a wide range of devices and applications. Today it is an integral part of our daily lives, seamlessly connecting our smartphones, laptops, headphones, and even household appliances. With advancements in speed, range, and power efficiency, Bluetooth is poised to connect even more devices and enable even more innovative applications. Imagine a world where your car communicates with your home security system, your fitness tracker syncs effortlessly with your smart fridge, and your virtual reality headset offers an immersive experience without any wires. These are not just futuristic fantasies. They are becoming a reality thanks to the continuous improvements in Bluetooth technology. From wireless charging to the Internet of Things, Bluetooth is at the forefront of the wireless revolution, making our lives more convenient, connected, and enjoyable. The integration of Bluetooth with IoT devices is particularly exciting, as it opens up a world of possibilities for smart homes, smart cities, and even smart healthcare. Imagine a hospital where all medical devices are interconnected, providing real-time data to doctors and nurses, improving patient care and outcomes. So embrace the wireless future, and get ready for a world where everything is connected. The potential applications of Bluetooth are limited only by our imagination. Whether it's enhancing our entertainment experiences, improving our health and fitness, or making our homes and cities smarter, Bluetooth is the key to unlocking a truly connected world. The journey of Bluetooth is far from over. As researchers and engineers continue to push the boundaries of what is possible, we can expect even more groundbreaking developments in the years to come. The future is not just wireless, it is dynamic, interconnected, and full of endless possibilities. The future is wireless and it's full of exciting possibilities. As we look ahead, let's embrace the innovations that Bluetooth technology brings and imagine the incredible ways it will shape our world. The wireless future is here and it's more thrilling than we ever imagined. Stay curious and keep exploring the digital world.